Yung bad word? Bad word. Bad word si Kel?
Naka-remember niya na yung password niya.
Hindi yun yung bad word ko lang.
Umikil naman. Umikil naman.
Kevin, nabad ka.
Kevin, nagbabad ka ha?
Ayan o, binisi ka niya ng water, Lola.
Ang dami pang girl.
I'm going to box you. Tell him. I'll
Uy,
box
ba't
you.
hindi na tuloy madami? Ayun o.
Grabe.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Mommy. Bye-bye.
I love you.
Sarap. Sarap. Pabuot mo kay teacher.
Bye-bye.
Okay. Hello?
Sino girlfriend
daw ako?
Mami, sino girlfriend
daw? Bye.
Mami, sino girlfriend ni Rooney? Sino girlfriend ni Rooney?